Welcome guys, my name is Sebastian. I wanted to talk to you about glider kits today. I know many of you never had a chance to see them or drive them or even know what glider kits are, so I just wanted to briefly talk to you about glider kits and how important for the industry they are, and how it's a shame that they're going out and they're limiting production, and the EPA is actually stopping the manufacturers to letting them produce any, so we're not going to be able to build glider kits anymore. But so what is a glider kit? Glider kit, it's a chassis, semi-truck chassis that comes without the driveline. So we have no engine, no drive shafts, no transmission, no rear axles, and that's how this one came. And the way it's been build is the customer comes in, and usually back in the day you would have an owner come with his own truck and they would swap the drivetrain from his old truck to the new chassis so he could continue running with his drivetrain. And since then it evolved. There were companies that would provide everything for you, so they would put a new engine, rebuild engine in it, new rebuild transmission, new drive shafts, and rear axles, and they would just sell it as a complete kit. So that's one of them that's been built, custom build, and it's the popular glider kits come with 12.7 Detroit diesels, and I've seen there's any N14s and the Cat C15s also. But those 12.7s were very popular, especially the Series 60, the pre-EGR versions. They were being rebuilt and put in as a complete set for that truck. Very reliable engine. You can get it very, you can set it up very efficiently. This one is a 13-speed 355s rear end ratio, and it's designed for highway running, but it's very optimal setup, and we're looking at mid sevens as far as fuel economy. And then you also have different chassis like Coronados or Columbias that were very popular. The Columbias being the little shorter wheelbase truck, and the Coronados, my personal favorite, for long distance highway running with the long 265 frame, are also come as glider kits. So the reliability of those trucks for owner operators is definitely one of the best ones that you can find. Very low cost of maintenance, very good MPG, widely available parts, and any TA truck stop will be able to fix that truck for you. You'll be able to find parts in any corner of the country, and it's a shame they're not going to be available to buy, and the manufacturers will not be allowed to produce any number of glider kits. So let me show you one more. There's one more that I have. It's a Coronado that is my also. All of the gliders are my favorite trucks, but it's definitely one that I would want to show you guys. So this is my Coronado glider kit. Very nice truck. The best thing, this is also 12.7 Detroit with a automatic transmission. This one was built for highway running, long frame automatic transmission. The downside is when you get to a customer and it's tight or rail work, it can be difficult to maneuver, but definitely reliable truck, and very happy with the purchase I have. Two more, and then Columbias are also the other model, which I don't see. There's one right there. Let me show you the Columbia really quick. This is the Columbia glider. Again, the same setup, 12.7 with a 10-speed manual and 355s. We use it for intermodal work. They're a shorter frame than the Coronado. Very reliable truck, very low cost of maintenance, and it's very dependable truck. So a shame that we're not going to be able to build those and run them as owner operators. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and talk to you soon.